Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this awesome looking earbuds. This is called PearlClip Pro and this is done by a company called SoundPEATS. I have to mention that this has a silicone and memory steel wiring, plus this will last you roughly about 24 hours before you place it back in charge. Except that I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family. Make sure you click the notification icon, select all in order to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We'll have to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly with a little more detail every time. And here are all the components that are part of the box. Now it comes with this little package, and once we open it, inside of it you will find a bunch of other paperwork. Number one will be the little guide that will tell you where to download the app from, and then in different languages. The next one will be the user guide. Now it is made really nicely. It's colorful a little bit in the front, but once you open it, you will see how you will be able to connect it. Also, it has some information on what each press the button will do, and then how to reset it in the manual mode. And then when you go next, it will be on how it will function on right or left ear. Now go next, there will be different color modes, each one will mean. And then once you go next, it says on dual connection. Now this is the back part. It has some little assistance, but once you go to the other part of it, shows you how you will be able to charge or how long you have to charge it, and then some remarks, some FCC statement, and more information is in here so you can read it. But this is the user guide. Now that's not the only thing. It also comes with some stickers that you can use and you can put on to the actual earbuds if you wish, but this is how it looks. Now it also comes with a wire, which when you open it, you can see that one side will be a USB Type-C connection to regular USB 2.0, and this is how long it is. Again, is that you can charge it really quick. And then the docking station itself, this is how it looks. It is wrapped around with some plastic, and then once you go to it and you want to open it, nicely opens, really satisfactory. We will put that aside, and this is how it really looks, the docking station itself. And once you go to the front part of it, I really like that it has a little light, but then you have some little, this is the button that you can press. So I guess this is the one that you can reset, or you can put it on pairing mode, but this is the front part of it. And then once you flip it to the back, here's the little hinge with the name on it. And then once you go to the actual USB, this is how it looks. And then once you open it, here is the earbuds. We can take them out. And the part that will sit has two magnets that it can sit. And also that's how it's going to get charged. And then the lid part on the top part of it, you can see how it has been designed. And it makes a noise once you close it. I really like how this has been put together. So we will put this aside, and here's the earbuds itself. It comes with a little plastic, so you can take them off. And then same thing on the other side. So these are the touch parts. But you can see that how has been designed. Speaker part of it itself, and then going to the parts for charging. You can see that. And then going around, you can see the parts that will sit around your ear. And then same thing on this side. And the little sensor. Now this is the same thing for the other side. It will be the same. I really like how much detail they have placed to this to make this nice. So in this part of the video, we will grab the headphones and we're going to pair it with the phone itself. Make sure you go to settings and then Bluetooth. So the Bluetooth comes up. So in order to activate it first, we have to put the earbuds back in the docking station, and we can take one out, and then we go into our Bluetooth. And as soon as it comes up the name, you can select it. And yes, we will click pair, and now it is paired, which is first one on the list. You can see it says 50% battery, but let's go into settings. So the name, and also it can pick up calls and audio. At the bottom, you also have the rename, disconnect the Bluetooth, and then unpair. That's how easy it is to process. And there you go. Now, once we start, it looks like it's looking for a sensor in order to process things. There you go. You see that? And then when we press it again, it plays. So it just needs exactly how it has to be set on your ear in order to process the play. So it is really effective in order to process. Now if I take the second one and then I press the same part, you can see that the pause and play works with this one too. And then when I want to bring the volume down or up, in this ear, you can see that the volume do come down when we are playing with it. So in this part of the video, I am going to record my voice to show you exactly how good the sound will be when you're talking on the phone. There's going to be a little indentation right around here will tell you that it is recording and the voice is not coming from this camera here. So that way we can process it properly. You can see that for the other ones that I already processed is showing, but this one will be a little bit different. So let's try it right now. And we're going now. So this test is directly from the earbuds, and this is how it sounds with nice and quiet background. Now, if there is going to be a little noise in the background, we will process and show you how that is done. But for the meantime, for this video, this is how loud the sound is. So again, it sounds really good. I'm just going to bring up the picture on this one a little bit brighter so that way we can see it. But this is how it sounds. And we will switch back into the regular camera. And there you go. So this is how good it will sound when you are processing it. I have to mention that the sound is really good. And when you are going to play with this, you're going to like it very much. I do not want to forget that all the links will be available where you can order this from, except that this was our take. I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places. And thank you.